Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Long Elementary in Dearborn, Michigan. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time in person with all the students, grades K through 5, and just a beautiful day getting to speak about a very important topic, which they've definitely heard before, and that is about bullying and looking at someone's heart before anything else, right? That we see people just like you would see your best friend, and that you really try to focus on who they are as a person, right? As opposed to everything that might separate us or be a difference, and why we might choose to not see them from the onset of when you first meet them, but look past that, right? And see everyone as this too. We talk about the M on all of our palms, with the lines in each of our hands. We have the letter M, at least one on each hand. And it says this on the front of my shirt too, that we're all beautiful miracles. This M stands for miracle upside down. W stands for worthy. That we're beautiful miracles worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And it's up to us to see that in ourselves and then go out and share that with this world. And so, there were a lot of stories that were shared that touched the students' hearts. Some came up to me, a couple of them in tears. And I always say tears are the sweat of our strength, the start of healing and feeling again. And we can always turn any hurt that we have, hurt people who hurt people, into healed people who heal people, right? That no matter what, we always have that choice to either uplift someone or to really bring them down. And it only takes 2 seconds. We talk about our heart being as big as our fist. If we let compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? One finger being ourself, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, by how we hopefully choose to treat them with love and kindness, but also 2, because in just 2 seconds, what we say, what we do, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, can lift up someone higher than the clouds for the rest of their life. Or in 2 seconds, we can potentially, take them down by saying something negative and hurtful for the rest of their life. So at the end of the day, it's always a choice. The kindness, the love. And I love being in here a lot, right in their school lobby here. And it says in the back here that we're building a better world, one student at a time. But the other quote that we shared during the assembly was from Mahatma Gandhi, asking everyone to be the change that they want to see for this world. That we must be that change. We don't really have a choice. It's up to us to keep spreading that love, keep sharing that kindness, and keep shining our light. Thank you again, everyone, for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Feel free to check out the incredible playlist for some amazing clips via YouTube, and you can also visit my website through the link on the screen to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.